So in this question, we need to find which is larger, this or this. Which is larger among these? So whenever we get this type of question, it is 3 raised to power 1 by 3, cube root of 3, and this is 5th root of 5. It's very hard to calculate cube root of 3 and 5th root of 5. What should we do to solve this, to find which is larger? This is the simplest trick to find these types of things. What do? Just taking power 15 on both sides. Why did I take power 15? Because I found LCM of 3 and 5. This cube root of 3, this 5th root 5, right? So I took LCM of 3 and 5, and that is 15. That is why I took 15 power on both sides. Here what will I get? I will get 3 raised to power 1 by 3 times 15. Why? Because a raised to power m raised to power n can be written as a multiply n. And this 5 raised to power 1 by 5 times 15. So when we solve this, what will I get? 3 5s are 15. This is 3 raised to power 5, and this is 5 raised to power 3. 3 raised to power 5 is 243. That means 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3, right? This is 243. And 5 cube is 125. 5 times 5 times 5, right? Now we can easily tell which is larger. This is larger. So here this is larger. I hope you understood this. If you got it, do subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Thank you.